Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the next video.
Hi, my name is Micah Chambers. This is my first time at Tilted Kilt, but we had a proposition from my English friends across the pond, and they asked me how many people can I fit inside the cars in my 1993 1275 Mini Cooper Sprite. And it was awesome, and you're gonna see it right now. The nice gentleman who's filming right now would like you to very much like this video, share it, let's make it go viral. Let's see what happens.
That is so funny. That is so funny. Sorry.
Is that a requirement? Probably. Yeah. I don't think so. My head.
I gotta get that is so funny. That is so funny. Are you number 1 or number 7?
I don't even know at this point.
There you go.
It's hot as here.
That is so funny.
Alright.
It's like a little. It's an
I'm sorry.
Sure.
Like I hit most of you.
Right.
And one on the outside.
Right.
Probably hot as shit.
It's pretty hot
So-
here.
God save the Queen. Or not. Alright, and this is my first time at Tilted Kilt, so can we get a little Tilted Kilt action? I gotta get how many people can I fit inside the car? So we were able to successfully get 7 people in my 1993 1275 Mini Cooper Sprite.
So is John Cleese driving this car today?
John Cleese? No.
You know who he is?
I do know who he is. Michael Caine would be the more appropriate.
I would say this is from Faulty Towers.
Could be. I haven't seen the film.
Gotcha.
But this is... Sure, and although the Mini community is very prevalent, and I don't know as much as all the other gurus out there, but from my understanding, this is 1275 A-Series engine block. You'll see that it's transverse mounted, so unlike the Austin Healey's that are here today, this one's actually, the drivetrain goes straight out to the wheels. And you have your cooler right here on the side, which unfortunately makes for a very bad system as far as if you're idling, it'll overheat very quickly. So this, at idle, needs to be turned off in order for it to work properly. But at speed, it'll keep down cool.
There you go. That is so cool. And you're gonna bow to the lady right there? Is that the Queen Mother?
I would rather die on my feet than bow to any person, so.
Well said.
How much horsepower does your car have?
Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy this next video, but before that, please subscribe, like us, give us a thumbs up, share our videos. Thanks.